So, yes, this is the mango tree. And right up this hill is Toy Town. I think I'm in my room. This is where we used to stroll with that little boy who's driving now.
Little boy.
That is the mango tree. And this is the hill that goes up Toy Town.
Who's going to open? There's no.
That used to be Captain Inquajo's office. Yeah. We used to always come here, pick flowers in front of this place.
Show me our house.
This is.
Which one was ours?
There used to be another mango tree right there. It's so short now. This is where I was bitten by a dog. That's why I'm so scared of dogs. Right here. By this phone booth. Right there. And this is the famous phone booth. I was like the operator. No. See? On calling baby or not. You can see it.
I see you.
This is pretty much the spot that the dog bit me. So neighbors, this is where it happened. That's why I'm scared of all the dogs. The dog lived in this house right there. This house. And down this hill is Toy Town. This was like a national service quarters. This is where we started because, well, some of us were born by kids. Sorry, so this is the first block. You see any?
This one?
72, right here.
Right here?
Right here, 72.
Okay, I'm coming to
That's where this one was born.
I wasn't born in that house, was I?
You were? No, say one yet in your home. This is Toy Town. This used to be for like national service people or people who are newly employed. So fresh graduates who were not supposed to have kids. But some of us, our parents had us pretty early.
Really bad.
I'm telling him we can turn here. He doesn't even know. I can close my eyes and come here. I'm here, Daniel.
Okay. Go.
So this here is TSS 84. That's where our Auntie Eva lived. That is Toy Town Senior Staff 84. That is where my Auntie Eva and Uncle Peko lived. And we live down here at 72. So we're going to show you where we live.
All right.
Good afternoon. I'm still lost there. How can I be lost?
Watch it.
Yeah. Yo, thank you. So the watchers lived up here, somewhere here, around my, quickly. I don't know. They lived up here somewhere. Up there. Oh, seriously, my remember. Oh yeah, not Josie Mutsi. Block Wemo.
Josie. She's getting married as well on the same day as mine.
Okay. So Josie, your house I think was right here in this next block.
No, that's not Josie. That's Elsie rather.
What is Josie?
Josie, I mean, who be Miss Elsie? Elsie's rather getting married.
So these were our buying lines actually.
Oh, let me be.
It used to be a stand. It used to be like a raised tank where the water came from, the hot water and everything. There was a boiler out here, so hot water used to come from somewhere here.
Okay. I believe.
Oh, yeah. The watchers lived here. So this is CSS 74. This is where the watchers live. Nana Kwame, Mr. Buche. I don't remember who lived here. No, Brahima. He was called Brahima. I lived here. And this was our apartment or house.
You and whose apartment? Your father's apartment.
My father was born here. So we lived here. This is where he was born.
Which of your brothers?
I used to always sit here. I was that nosy little girl here. There weren't that many kids here. Remember I said this place used to be for fresh graduates. So most people didn't have kids, but my sister and I were one of the few children here. So I used to sit here around 4:30 and wait for all the minors. Everybody was very fond of us. So
you want a picture?
We used to get a lot of greetings and chocolates right here. So this right here is where my brother was born. Yes, I was 9 years old when he was born. We used to live right here. We have photos that we took of him on his first birthday. We had a party, so right here. I hope to find those photos and insert. And yeah, we made lots and lots of friends here. We lived here until we were like, what, maybe 2? And then we moved to Bruno Estate.
I don't remember anything here.
Yeah, so this was the good life. I think, I'm trying to remember who lived here. Maybe this is actually where Brian Iman lived, right next door. Yeah. Thank you. This used to be a security post. Behind this is the gate right there. And at 6 o'clock, the gate would be closed. And when it was closed, you couldn't go to town. So when people needed stuff, you know, I was little enough, I could go. I think there was a little opening somewhere here. So they would just send me down here. They would wait for me and I'll go grab whatever you wanted from the women that sell stuff down here. Bring it back through and come through the mesh. They'll just lift it for me. Yeah. And so we lived right here, and this is the phone booth, so pretty close. So this phone, I used to just pretty much I was the self-proclaimed operator of this phone. I lived down here, and every time the phone rang, it was loud enough. I'll come up the hill, receive it, and whoever you wanted to, I knew everybody, so I'll just go call whoever it was that they have called. And that's why I was getting chocolate a lot, okay? And right by the phone booth, somewhere here, my sister and I thought we were super smart because my parents never encouraged any kind of piggy bank or susu or anything. And all these people, you know, when we went on errands and we got stuff, and we had been brought up not to ever pick money if we found money on the floor. But my sister and I started saving money, and we had a little rock here that we saved money under. And I happened to tell one of our friends, like somebody's sister who lived with her, and I thought my secret was safe with her. That same day that I told her, she went and told my mom. You just don't want to know what happened to me. A bropa with her tape measure. Mama, okay. Oh, this very same mango tree. Okay, mango. I'm just watching and this mango tree right here, I picked so many mangoes from here. We just walking slowly down, and then they just fall. In the evening especially, they just fall from right down here.
But then we have it. I know they feel.
And that house used to be fence. And we're still trying to sneak up it.
It's a fence now.
The tailors. So the tailors lived somewhere up here. I saw one of the tailors when I went to the school. Yes, I remember very well.
Tailors.